Here got more eBay packages. Looks like I got one ROM package. I was supposed to get a speaker. I don't want the shipping labels off, so I gotta be careful. Oh. Is this a speaker or something? I hope it is. I doubt it. Fuck. Hold on. It's not what I exactly ordered. It's at least a speaker. It's a cute little speaker. At least I got a little clock speaker. It is decent. It's go for like $10, so if we get a refund, that would be good. If not, that would be a little bit upsetting. So I think I wasted $10. So it's at least a good speaker. Hold on. I'll set a shipping label on there. Swords and grills for e-like speakers. Looks like they're the right size. They look really cheap there. No, they're sturdy, actually. Oh, they're 6.5 inches. So I have 6.5 inch woofers on my e-like speakers. They look nice. Thanks for watching.